Standard 2nd, Subject English, Chapter 16, Word Basket. Hi children! Today we are going to learn words from the word basket. So let's start. Look at these pictures. I will read their names. Listen and repeat after me. Hen,
hen,
men,
men,
den,
den,
ten,
ten,
pen.
pen,
Very good. Now let's try to match them. I will show you the picture. You tell me what it is.
den, pen, men, hen, ten.
Good. Children, all these words contain letter E in them. We are learning sound of letter E. Now let's see some more words that contain sound E in them. Wet,
Wet,
web,
web,
ten,
ten,
jet,
jet,
leg,
leg,
den,
den,
net,
net,
pet,
pet,
red,
red,
bed,
bed,
get,
get,
men.
men.
Now here is a basket which contains words. There are mangoes outside the basket with similar words. Let's match the words. Pet,
Pet,
wet,
wet,
web,
web,
ten,
ten,
jet,
jet,
leg,
leg,
den,
den,
net,
net,
red,
red,
bed,
bed,
get.
get.
Well done. Let's come to another activity. Here is some sentence. Let's try to read them. A hen,
A hen,
a pet hen,
a pet hen,
a pet hen in a net,
a pet hen in a net,
a pen,
a pen,
a red pen,
a red pen,
a red pen on a bed,
a red pen on a bed,
10 men.
10 men,
10 men sat on a mat.
10 men sat on a mat.
Now I will show you some words. You have to find the odd man and encircle it. Mat, sat, pat, pet,
Pet,
men, 10, can, den,
can,
bad, pad, red, had,
red,
bag, men, 10, den,
bag,
pet, net, fat, set.
fat.
Well done. This shows that you have understood it very well. Keep it up.